my esteemed guests and subscribers. This is, of course, yours truly, LL here, and today I'm gonna be reviewing the Coinbase Wallet, which has been requested for me to review a couple of times in the past, and finally I'm gonna be giving my 2 cents about it. And the Coinbase Wallet is available on the Apple App Store and also available on the Google Play Store. This review will be based on the Android version, which is launched through an emulator called the BlueStacks, but it's basically identical on your phone, and I've tried it personally since I do own it also on my phone. And let's kind of go through the website a bit before we launch the actual application. So the claims are here: all your digital assets in one place, use decentralized applications, pay friends, not addresses. And here are a lot of some of the digitals actually supported. So the Coinbase Wallet supports ERC20 tokens, Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Ethereum Classic, and Litecoin, and also Stellar, which is not listed here, and also supports Ethereum's ERC721 collectibles. These are not the engine ones; these are the other ones. I think the engine is ERC 1000 something. And basically there's an authentication, things like the PIN code, which you can enable on the actual application. And yes, as I already said, there is dApps available to be browsed through the Coinbase Wallet, such as Compound or any other DeFi application you want to use. And probably the biggest selling point about the Coinbase Wallet is using the Coinbase Wallet with the Coinbase accounts. And that's something we're not going to be covering too much on this video because I haven't linked the application to my Coinbase on my desktop. I have done that on my actual real Coinbase account, and that'd be something that can have certain uses and, cover some of the costs, I guess. But ultimately, the Coinbase Wallet that you're using is not directly connected to your funds on Coinbase. This is a separate wallet that is actually on chain. And obviously the Coinbase itself is off-chain. When you send Bitcoin to another person inside Coinbase, those do not happen on the blockchain. Those are off-chain, just ledger numbers on a spreadsheet on the Coinbase company. But let's jump into the actual application here. So here's my BlueStacks, which I've opened up. I'm going to be reviewing a couple of other, mobile applications also in the near future because this is just going to be making it so much easier. So this is the main interface of the Coinbase Wallet. First of all, I like it. It's very clear, very easy to understand. There is a QR mode which can be used to scan stuff. This is very good to send money. Obviously, it's required for pretty much any mobile wallet, in my opinion. Then there's the Send tab, and there is also the Receive tab, where you can see most of the currencies that you have. Now, we already touched upon some of the coins, so Ethereum, Bitcoin, XRP, Litecoin, Stellar Lumens, Bitcoin Cash, Dogecoin also supported here, which was not listed on the website. But there are a lot of ones that are missing. For instance, Algorand is listed on Coinbase. It is not supported here. There are a lot of other currencies which are supported on Coinbase Pro, which are not here. So a lot of things are missing, so to speak. And, it has pretty much the biggest, most mainstream ones. Cardano is obviously missing, and Polkadot. Or let me actually check if the Polkadot is here. I'm pretty sure it's not. Those are not Polkadot. Those are tokens on Polkadot. So it is missing quite a lot of a chunk of different coins. So when we are reviewing the wallet from the perspective of the different coins that are being supported on it, it is outclassed by Trust Wallet on mobile. Also, Atomic and Exodus have mobile versions, and those outclass it as well. And also, probably Math Wallet has more options as well. Now, obviously, those that I just mentioned, only Trust Wallet and Math can interact with dApps. So that's also another very important benefit and factor here. Though, the dApps that you're going to be interacting with Coinbase Wallet are going to be exclusively only on Ethereum. So you're not able to interact with any other chain here. Now, there's also dApps that are integrated here. When you do some of the Coinbase tasks, you actually get to use the Coinbase account and like create, Coinbase Wallet, and you put your compound money here basically through Ethereum, and this is like a testing that they'll make you to do in order to get more compound tokens. And so compound is here. Inherently, compound is no longer, in my opinion, very competitive option compared to a lot of the other assets that are in the space. So I just don't really see the intrinsic value in compound. So but it's good for some people like whales, which don't really care. Compound has not been hacked, if I remember right, so there's that. I think they've been hacked though. And so you have obviously Ethereum here. When you send it, you're not able to, let's say we want to send the max amount, and we want to send OX something like this. Maybe. Okay, let me actually copy an address, my own address, and we're going to be testing something very important, because every feature when it comes to wallets, let's say this is one of my accounts, you are able to adjust the gas fees here customly, so you can interact with the GUIs and all of that, and that is a really good feature to have on any wallet basically right now, to have that option to know where you're going to be sending and how much you're going to be sending for. I assume this is going to be available also on Bitcoin side of things. Not many wallets actually allow you to send assets back and customize the actual cost of send, transaction cost, that is. So that is a very nice feature added on the actual Coinbase wallet. Then there's the collectibles tab here. All of your Ethereum NFTs will appear. That's pretty good. There is a gear icon where you can customize things. You can connect here directly to your Coinbase account and transfer crypto from there. You can also activate multiple wallets if you so desire. This is option for there are many reasons to do that, and here you can basically choose all the actual cryptocurrencies which are supported. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different coins are being supported here, plus the ERC20s. Now there is no black mode, night mode, so to speak, here available, sadly. You're not able to export the private keys for these coins that are here, so you only have the seed phrase. Most of the time that's not a problem, but with certain tools you want to have that option. Now then there is the actual dApps which you can access. This interface is pretty easy to use in my opinion. So if you want to go into, for example, let's say we want to go to OpenSea, we visit it, and most platforms and applications have already integrated a Coinbase Wallet login on Ethereum side, so that is very convenient in my opinion. So it has certain level of benefit when you're actually using this as a platform. Let's see if we can actually see our account here, my profile, if it goes into and we sign in, and are we able to basically sign in here. There is their Coinbase Wallet. Okay, let's not use Formatic, and here you can see the Coinbase Wallet option, and for some reason I'm not able to. It could be that it's an emulator that we are just using right now, which is not registering it through. Let's try again with a different wallet here. So let's do MetaMask, and we're logged in. So that basically solved our problem here. But overall, the Coinbase Wallet is kind of simple. It has all of these things. If you're just going to be investing on Ethereum and Bitcoin, I don't see it as a horrible option, but I do want to emphasize that it kind of lacks certain features which I personally would like to see in a wallet, and that is having a good amount of different coins to hold, because otherwise there's no point for me to swap over from one wallet to another. But I think it's very user friendly. It's kind of clean layout. It does, could have certain charts. How has my portfolio performed in the last 7 days, and things like these would be kind of nice to see. But that is kind of my rundown of the Coinbase Wallet. If you haven't signed up on Coinbase yet, I'm gonna leave my link down below. If you're gonna be buying 100 euros or $100 worth of stuff on Coinbase, both of us will basically get $10 for free. And there's obviously a lot of earn things and tasks you can do at Coinbase which earn you more money. But I'm gonna bidding you farewell. I will be seeing you guys on the next video whenever it may be. See you soon. Cheers.